So today, Maya is going to make a homemade pizza. I'm going to show you how to make the pizza dough using this Fisherman's Fast and Easy Pizza Crust yeast. Recipe is right here. I will list all this in the description box below, you guys, so that you can have the ingredients. Okay, and we're gonna show you how to make it. Okay, let's get into this video. Okay, how many cups of flour are we using?
2 cups of flour.
What is this, self-rising or all-purpose?
All-purpose, honey.
Okay, so she's measuring out 2 cups of all-purpose flour. So that's 1 cup. Now Maya's getting the 2nd cup of all-purpose flour, y'all. Don't make a mess with your flour.
It's okay.
What you adding in now?
Undissolved yeast. Woo.
That's 1 packet of the undissolved yeast. All of it came out. Make sure y'all get everything out the packet. Okay.
1 cup of very warm water.
Very warm, not bursting hot, warm.
2 tablespoons of olive oil or vegetable oil.
And we're using olive oil.
Yeah, we're using olive oil.
But you can't use vegetable oil. So that's 2 tablespoons here, guys. Get you a pinch of salt. A pinch of sugar.
Okay, now we're about to knead this.
So mix together. Now, if you got you a mixer, a stand mixer that needs your dough, go ahead. So Maya gonna need her dough. This is her first time making homemade pizza crust.
Yeah, it's kind of same as other doughs.
It kind of reminds you of yeast rolls, though.
Yeast rolls and cinnamon rolls, yeah.
Yeah. And we bought that yeast packet from Publix.
You get 3 for
$3.
$1.79.
Yeah, 3 for $1.79. So, on the night you want to make you some pizza, you'll have your packet ready. Okay, we'll be back after she kneads her dough. Okay, so how many minutes are you going to knead this dough?
4 to 6 minutes.
4 to 6 minutes, knead your dough. Now, y'all see how to knead your dough? So Maya is kneading her dough like the people in the pizza restaurant. Multi-skilled healthcare professional Maya. She's in school to be a nurse too, y'all. But she really likes baking. Okay, so what we got going on here?
We're about to let it sit and cook for 10 minutes.
You're going to let it sit and proof for 10 minutes.
Yeah,
you touch it and it should bounce back, and you got oil in your bowl.
Yeah.
Okay. Why are you laughing? You need to speak. Because you need to speak up.
You need to cover it with something. It's Halloween, so we're going to cover it with
You can cover it with saran wrap, can't you?
Yeah, you can. Yeah.
Why you did? We got saran wrap. This is our pizza dough. As you can see, that it is expanded. And our next step will be to roll our pizza dough out and put our toppings on our pizza. Okay, so Maya has punched down the pizza dough before we can get started. I got some sausage crumbles.
Fresh mozzarella cheese, grated cheese.
You gotta talk loud.
Chicken, pepperoni
pizza sauce, y'all.
sauce that I seasoned with fresh red pepper, black pepper, salt. I put some fresh garlic in it, and some oregano.
Okay, so go ahead and get started.
I'm so confused.
You gonna put some oil on there or you not?
Oil at the bottom.
Oh, I forgot. So she gonna...
Ooh, should I make, what is it?
She rolling out her pizza dough, y'all. And she gonna put her toppings on there.
Should I make some
Stuffed crust. You got some mozzarella that you gonna stick in there. No, don't make stuffed crust if you don't know how to do it.
Maybe some mozzarella. Okay.
Okay, so she rolled out the dough. So that's how you make pizza dough. So now she gonna go ahead and build her pizza.
Oh.
You got bacon?
Yes.
Yeah, cat dog. I call my dog cat dog, y'all, because he look like it.
Okay. Bacon. Fresh bacon.
Real bacon.
Fresh bacon.
We should make cheese sticks.
Ooh, we should. That would be good. Some garlic cheese sticks or garlic knots.
Cheese sticks real good.
I don't think a lot of people understand that.
We'll be back when she get it out the oven, y'all. Homemade pizza with Maya. Cooking with Maya. Cooking with Maya. And then...
Mama.
Okay, everyone, so cooking with Maya and her. This is the crust on the pizza. After the pizza was done that Maya made, so you can see how the crust look. And it's really delicious to me, especially being her first time making homemade pizza. So you can see the inside. All right, pizza is done. It do smell good, y'all. Let me show y'all. So this is her first time making a homemade pizza from scratch. So I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe. Stay tuned to Cooking with TK, Tammy King, and Maya King. Peace out. Bye.